How to redeem One4all gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can redeem One4all gift card online. In order to redeem your One4all gift card online, you'll need to open up a web browser. And then on the web address bar, you'll need to type in or paste in the link, that is www.one4all.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of One4all, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So once you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find as retailer with a pointer icon means your One4all gift card can be used on the website, which means that you'll be able to redeem it. As you can see, there are multiple brands where you can actually redeem your One4all gift card. So like you have Harvey Norman. So in order to redeem gift card in one of these following brands, you'll need to tap on it. Make sure that you already have an account of this particular brand. After that, scroll down a bit, go to buy now. So what you need to do is you need to select the product and purchase it. After that, you need to enter in your card amount in GBP. And after that, you also need to select the quality type and click on the buy now button, or you need to log in into your account and you can simply select a product in order to purchase it, and after that you can redeem your gift card. So in this way you can redeem your gift card of One4all. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.